Discover Excel's specialist support services in the Excel Encyclopaedia. Excel Networking offers a comprehensive range of specialist support services, including copper and fibre pre-terminated solutions and cable testing, on-site rack assembly and pre-configured cabinets, as well as laser engraved labelling. Designed with installers in mind, Excel's specialist support services are ideal for projects with limited time available on-site for installation or for rapid deployment projects. By providing installers with pre-tested, pre-qualified products, we're helping them to deploy products faster and to reduce their costs by removing the need to invest in specialist equipment, labour and management costs. This chapter of the Excel Encyclopaedia provides more details about each of the services offered by Excel, which are all carried out by our team of trained experts at our Birmingham headquarters.